It started. It started. It started. What did I say? My headphones are not working much. The battle bus. Look at the wheels on the battle bus. It's actually turned, and I feel like it looks weird without the balloon. I was used to the balloon. Lazy. I love lazy. Because I'm so lazy. I'm shit lazy. I know, I can't stop my swearing. What's censored? I'm bad at my grammar. How? How? I'm lower than you. How did I mess up my drop? Okay, I got a solid gold. Because we're playing solid. Medkits are not gold, so that's one thing that's weird. They should have added the chug jug. Because chug jugs are gold. What? It's you. It's you. Okay, at this, people. Pew, pew, pew. I only got one weapon, and I am so bad at this game. Oh, yeah, that tactical SM. Wait, I forgot. Is it called tactical SMG? What? We're noobs. Yeah. I read it up. It says finding next match. But I did subscribe to my own channel, and you can do that. What? I did. Do it! I only have 10 more minutes to record, and then I have to go. And then the video will, like, probably end. Or maybe I can do one more match at the very end. Wait, did you find a weapon already? Wait, I'm gonna mark a weapon. I'm gonna quickly mark a weapon. Oh, I found it. Hey. You're reporting him? How do you know he's a sweat? You look beauty! I hate sweats because I'm a noob at this game. Look! I marked something from the battle bus. Oh, I see Galactus's horns! I see them. I see the Galactus's horns. Where should we land? Where should we land? I'm landing where you're landing. Huh? Hurry, Hedgie. Okay. What? Yeah. Huh? What? Yeah, true. I tried to name this video Terry Skill, but my dad doesn't know. He doesn't know how to change names either. I wasn't going sweaty. We were just chatting, and I looked that direction, and then yeah. Should we go to sweaty? You can see. Huh? Yeah, I'm getting it for next season. I'm making a video about my first battle pass. I just so want to get a battle pass. I'm so excited for the live event. It's next Tuesday. I don't know how they're gonna make it because all it shows is its horns. I don't know how. Huh? No, no, no! I took 4 damage. I was about to land on this umbrella. I'm gonna sit on the shady part. Just pretend that never happened. I'm invisible. No one. No, no. I'm coming. I'm coming. Why are you walking? I heard a Lambo. Did you have the Lambo? I'm invisible. I'm as marching down the street. He's picking up a human. I never knew Iron Man's that strong, like Hulk. But can he kill the human? If he does, he's a villain. Ooh. Okay, do it again. Why is your sister crying? Bye. Should I save you? Yeah, you're bouncing. Oh my god, Why? Where are you going? Is your dad talking to somebody? Oh, look, I'm under this truck. I'm gonna get crushed open. Oh no, it broke. Okay. Huh? Oh yeah, my pickaxe is so amazing. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna be. My dad just found something. Challenge event started. What? Drive to Misty Meadows? Okay, come in. You already have. Where's Misty? Where's Misty? Nah, I ain't driving to Misty. Misty's too far. If I had a Lambo, I would. Imagine you just see a Lambo. Imagine you're in Misty and you see a Lambo and then it says drive to Misty and you're already in Misty and you completed the task. I was about to say trash. I need to take out these ads. Oh my god, I hate these. Yes, I did. Subscribe to my other channel, a cringy video. Oh! You know, you just saw that. Who? What? What? change my sound. If I lean over, I can hear some. I have to do it like this. My arm hurts. But I have to. No. Huh? Nope. Nope. And I don't know how to. I might try to do a face reveal. I might. You? Yeah. Huh? Is this a drum gun? Oh no, that's tactical submachine gun. I found a legendary chest. Assault rifle.
Why? 邊度安神啊？邊度安神？喂，大佬啊！咁你喺邊度 fix 啦？
Got what I need.
啲人歸英山窩頭喎。
Wait, I got some mats. I got some machine gun. I'm going down. What do I? Can I trade you something for that? This assault rifle. This. Whatever this is.
No, put it on the floor.
This?
呢個好威嘅 floor
This thing?
啊，真係啦 ，yes。
What about this? Some no, I'm.
關你啱晒。
Yeah, I like them. You did not make them line up good. You.
傷啊 ，yes。喂，你啱你咪呢個跛咗，我。
Okay, I just black. What did? Nope. I just did spam random clicking. I swear I just did it again. What do I? Alt? No. Face? No. No. I just did it again. TK, how do you do this? I'll show it to you. I'll show it to you. I just spammed random stuff. Look. What? Oh no. What? Ah! I can't do it to you. Why? But let me know. Look, I just did it again. This. How'd you do that? Ah! Wait, let me do it twice. When I'm not look. This, there. Ah! Did you see it? And I don't know. I'm just spamming my. I just did it again. It's not in dance. I got done it again. Oh, I think I know how to do it. I know. For me, it's pressing C and X. I see people do it when they die. I'm like, how do you talk like that? Do you have this? Do you have a big... What? Yeah, but you can't dance.